Bonjour, greetings from Canada. Merry Christmas to everyone. From Canada, we love wow the world. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive its King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let all their souls employ. While fields and floods, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sin and sorrow grow, nor thorns to ground comes to make His blessings flow. For us the curse is found, for us the curse is found, for us the curse is found. He rules the world, the truth and grace, and makes the nations rule. Glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Merry Christmas! Thank you very much for watching my video. I love you.